Hello students, today in this video I am going to speak about magnetic field around a current carrying conductor. See, as you know, Oyster did an experiment using a battery, a cord and a magnetic compass. As he observed, a needle is deflected whenever a current is flowing through a conducting wire. And he observed this and he stated, a current carrying conductor can produce a magnetic field around it, and this phenomenon is called magnetic effect of electric current. See the directions north, south, west, east. If the current is flowing from south to north, the deflection of the magnetic needle takes place towards west, and if it is from north to south, the deflection takes place towards east. So simply we can understand this by considering a man is swimming along the wire. If the current flows from his feet to head, then if he approaches any magnetic needle, the deflection is always towards his left hand. And now magnetic field due to a current carrying straight conductor. As we know, the experimental setup contains magnetic compass or iron fillings, a cardboard, wires, battery and a plug key. As we connect all these in a series through the cardboard and keep it straight upward, as soon as the key is on, current flows through the straight conductor. And if we pour iron fillings around the current carrying conductor, the iron fillings will arrange in a concentric circle. As we start tapping the cardboard, it will arrange in a concentric circle. This shows that a current carrying conductor can produce magnetic field around it in a concentric circle. The strength of the magnetic field due to current carrying conductor depends on two factors. The first one is the amount of current flowing through the conductor and the distance from the conductor. See, the strength of the magnetic field is directly proportional to the amount of current flowing through the conductor. And the second one is the strength of the magnetic field due to current carrying conductor it is inversely proportional to the distance from the conductor. Find the direction of magnetic field due to the current carrying straight conductor. We'll use right hand thumb rule. It states that if a current carrying conductor is imagined to be held in your right hand such that thumb points the direction of flow of current, then the curled fingers of the hand indicates the direction of magnetic field around it. So we can understand easily by holding a pen. Hold the pen like this. Think that pen is a cord and your thumb indicates the direction of the flow of current, and the fingers which are encircled shows the direction of magnetic field. So we can understand this by saying like, if the direction of current upward, then face the thumb finger towards you and check it out. The curled fingers are look like anti-clockwise direction. That's why we can say that if the direction of current is upward, then the magnetic field produced around it is anti-clockwise. At the same time, if the current is flowing downward, then face the thumb away from your face and hold the pen towards you like this and identify the direction of encircled fingers. That shows as the current is flowing downward, then the magnetic field around it is clockwise direction.